This patient, let's call him Thoros of Myr. Both ears have a wax blockage, both ears over-oiled, but they behave completely differently once the suction starts. A soft blockage, stopping a hearing aid from working. Let's see what we're dealing with. Fully saturated with oil, Zollner in, nothing. No attachment whatsoever. This isn't normal. Let's try again. That's much better. Now the real procedure starts. Small pieces are coming away. Huge section suddenly releases, but frustratingly it still breaks apart. The deeper I go, the stranger the consistency becomes. Not liquid, not solid, somewhere in between. This patient has reported some discharge recently. The canal looks healthy, but this consistency is unusual. We'll be keeping an eye on this. Right on top of the eardrum now, and this wax has become incredibly sticky deeper down, almost jam-like. Fine tip now. This should work. Nope. Every time I think I've got it, it gets suctioned into the tube and we have a layer remaining on the canal. A small amount remains on the eardrum. That is going to stay exactly where it is today. Left ear. The camera is fogging because of the Maltese heat. Wait, did you spot that? Right in front of the eardrum, that's a polyp. I'm deliberately ignoring the polyp for now. Let's get the wax out first. And immediately look at the difference. Whole sections are coming away in one go. And as the wax disappears, the polyp is now reappearing. It's longer than I first thought. This is what I like to see. Beautiful, compliant wax. Thoros of Myr has seen an ENT about this and has been discharged. Even the tiny edge pieces are behaving differently. This ear is the complete opposite of the first one. So same patient, same oil, same suction, completely different result. And I will see you in the next one. Small pieces are coming away, but not in the way I'd hoped.